Hello, I'm Andrew Carpenter, Chief Executive of the Structural Timber Association. We're a membership organisation with approaching 700 members that cover the design, manufacture and erection of structural timber frame systems across the UK. We also include within our membership clients and stakeholders of the industry. So basically anyone that's interested in using structural timber frame as a building material. Our unique selling point is the promotion of timber as the building material of choice, and with the government's ambition to raise timber frame in the building of homes from 30% to 40% by 2025, we are in a really good position to help the industry in their use and choice of timber frame systems. So why should we be using timber as the building material of choice, you may ask? There are a lot of reasons, particularly around the zero carbon agenda, which of course is what we're talking about today. First is around the fact that it absorbs carbon while growing and stores it. So there's no energy required to grow or extract the timber. It's therefore a renewable process. In terms of processing it into timber frame houses, again, it's a very low energy process in terms of manufacture. So you've got low energy in terms of its extraction and growing the product. You've got low energy in terms of processing it, and furthermore, it's got excellent thermal properties. So it's got very low operational costs as well. So it's a win-win-win. To give you an example, if we were to build 200,000 homes using timber frame, that would store around about 4 million tonnes of carbon dioxide every year. Now, embodied carbon makes up between about 30% and 50% of carbon emissions in new buildings through the lifetime of the building. That figure would be slashed if you were to use a sustainable and renewable building material such as timber. The reason it's so important to look at the building materials we're using to build the homes of the future is that the homes in which we live contribute around about 47% of the UK's total carbon emissions. So it's a critical area that we need to look at if we're going to reach the zero carbon target of 2050. The Structural Timber Association is here to help anybody that wants to get involved in using structural timber systems, whether you be a designer, whether you be a manufacturer, whether you be an erector, a client of the industry, a stakeholder within the industry. We're here to help. We have a technical hotline for members. We have a range of events and activities that you can attend, and a whole manner of committees in which you can get involved. So please do contact us. We'd love to help you increase the amount of structural timber frame that's used within the UK and help meet the government targets of 40% timber frame homes by 2025 and zero carbon by 2050.